also known as Jack of Diamonds, and probably some other names as well. And for anybody that plays the fiddle any at all, it's to I played cards in England, I gambled in Spain. Going back to Rhode Island, gonna play my last game. Check a diamonds, check a diamonds. I know you from old. You have got my 4 pockets of silver and gold. I eat when I'm hungry, I drink when I'm dry. It's a feeling much better, gonna sprout wings and fly. Check a diamonds, check a diamonds. I know you from old. You've got my 4 pockets of silver and gold. My shoes is all worn out, my toes is sticking out. If I don't get corn whiskey, I'm going up the spout. Check a diamonds, I know you from old. You run my 4 pockets of silver and gold. Corn whiskey and pretty women, they've been my downfall. They beat me and they bang me, but I love them for all. Check a diamonds, I know you from old. You run my 4 pockets of silver and gold. I beat on the counter, I make the glass ring. More brandy, more brandy, more brandy to bring. Check a diamonds, you're a hard card to play. But I bet my last dollar I'll play you next game. If the ocean was whiskey and I was a duck, I'd dive to the bottom and I'd drink my way up. But the ocean ain't whiskey nor I ain't no duck. I'll play that Jack of Diamonds, I trust to my luck.